Hi guys, today we'll be discussing what is defect masking. Masked defects are the defects which are hidden during testing phase due to presence of other defects in software. Okay, so what is masked defects? These are the defects which are hidden or unnoticed during testing phase due to presence of other defects in the software. Once that other defect will get fixed, then only this masked defect will be identified. Until unless that other defect is getting resolved, till that time masked defect will be hidden only. After fixing of that other defect, then only this masked defect will be noticed or identified. That is the definition or meaning of defect masking. We will be understanding with an example. Okay, so suppose I am having an e-commerce application. In that e-commerce application, I am having add to cart option and checkout option. So what I'll do is I'll be searching for the product and then I'll be adding that product to the cart and trying to do the checkout, and then finally I'll be placing the order. That is what my intention is to do in my e-commerce application. Suppose I search for some product. Okay, now I am trying to add that product to the cart by using this add to cart button. Okay, but now what is happening is this add to cart button is not working for me. Okay, so there I found this defect one. Okay, so since this add to cart button is not working, so this is the defect one. Okay, due to this add to cart button is not working, I am not able to do the checkout because in this add to cart page only I am not able to add the product to the cart, right? So in this page only I stop. I am not able to proceed to the checkout option. So this is my defect one, and since I am not able to proceed to this checkout page, I am not able to paste the checkout page, and suppose in that checkout page I am having some other defects. Let's suppose this defect 2 is there. Okay, so this defect 2 is getting hidden due to this defect 1 because I am not able to proceed from add to cart to checkout, right? So I cannot notice this defect 2 until unless this defect 1 is getting fixed or resolved. Then only I can proceed to the checkout page, and then this defect 2 will be coming to picture. So for now, this defect 2 will be your masked defect, which is getting hidden due to this defect 1 which is present in the add to cart page. So this is one example of masked defect which you usually found in the page navigation page, because in this e-commerce application this add to cart is in one page and this checkout is in another page. To access this checkout page, you have to navigate from add to cart page to checkout page. Okay, so this is one of the example of defect masking in pagination functionality. That's it for today's video. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, then please do subscribe it, share across with your friends. If you have any queries, then please ping me. I'll happy to answer all your queries. Thank you.